Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy. Features also include alloy wheels, rear-view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Stop by and take a look at the 2019 RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, steel wheels, wheel covers, FWD, mirror memory, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.